Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Thursday as shares in pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, media, and food and staples retailing, they all managed to lose momentum. This while shares in the commercial and professional services, materials and consumer durables and apparel sectors, they all gained traction. On the economic front, the initial jobless claims increasing to 233,000 in the week ended October 21st. Continuing jobless claims also increasing to 1.89 million in the week ended October 14th. Also, wholesale inventories dropping by 0.3% month over month in a preliminary estimate in September, while pending home sales figures, they were flat in September compared to a decline of 2.8% in August. All around, advancers just ahead of decliners, 65% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, it was all about big tech earnings. Amazon.com announcing third quarter EPS of 52 cents against 52 cents 1 year ago on net sales of $43.74 billion, beating estimates of $42.19 billion, up 33.7% year over year. Alphabet unveiling third quarter EPS of $9.57, rising above forecast of $8.34 on revenue of $27.8 billion. That's up significantly as well. Microsoft reporting that first quarter EPS rising 84 cents, this from 72 cents in the previous year period on revenue of $24.54 billion. That's up roughly 12%. The Asian markets, they're up today. Nikkei up nearly 1.25%. The Hang Seng up 0.84%. China CSI 300 up 0.71%. South Korea's Kospi up 0.64%. European markets, they're trading higher, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. In terms of expectations today, ExxonMobil third quarter EPS seen at 87 cents, while Chevron third quarter EPS seen at 99 cents, and Merck third quarter EPS seen at $1.04. Moving on to the economic docket today, 8:30 in the morning, third quarter adjusted GDP annualized expected at 2.6%, as well as personal consumption, while 10 o'clock in the morning we have the University of Michigan consumer sentiment read expected at 100.7. Now turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 that's currently moving towards 2577, while the Nasdaq sees a continuation of the rebound and is in focus. The relative strength index is bullish and calling for further upside. Long positions above 60.78 are favored with targets at 61.25 and 61.32 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones sees its intraday support around 23,315.